Get ready, nature enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the incredible journey of the great hummingbird migration. Picture this. These tiny, vibrant creatures, weighing less than a nickel, embark on an epic voyage from Canada to Central America every year. First up, let's talk about the ruby-throated hummingbird. This little gem is the most common species in eastern Canada. As the chilly winds of winter approach, they set their sights on warmer climates, Mexico, Honduras, and even Panama. Imagine flying over 2,000 miles. That's like traveling from New York to Los Angeles, and they do it all on their own. Now, our friends in the western regions have their own stars, the Rufous hummingbirds. These feisty travelers make their way down to the US Gulf Coast and Mexico. They navigate through diverse landscapes, from towering mountains to sprawling coastlines. It's nature's own version of an epic road trip. But how do they do it? These hummingbirds rely on their incredible memory and the position of the sun to find their way. And believe it or not, they can remember every single flower they've visited along their route. Talk about having a built-in GPS. During their journey, these hummingbirds face numerous challenges: storms, predators, and the sheer exhaustion of constant flight. Yet they persevere, driven by the promise of blooming flowers and abundant food in their winter havens. So next time you spot a hummingbird in your garden, remember the awe-inspiring journey they've undertaken. These tiny but mighty travelers remind us all of the resilience and beauty of nature. Thanks for joining me on this incredible adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.